Have you ever wondered why we leave our homes just to sit on the ground somewhere else? We call it a picnic, but maybe it's something deep. Maybe it's not about the location, it's about the feeling we're searching for. In a life that moves so fast, we step out not just to escape, but to pause, to feel, to listen to the winds and the world around us. Because sometimes we don't just need an escape, we need a pause. So, hey, I'm Ella from the red soil, the forest, and the slow rivers of Jharkhand. I love to explore the hidden corners of the world, to wander through rivers and forests, and express what I feel through dance movements, which lets me connect to the world around me. Through this, I want to capture the beautiful, the unnoticed moments and share them with you. So join me as we step out, not just to explore, not just to wander, but to pause and feel the world around us. So today wasn't about doing a lot, it was just about feeling a lot and taking a pause. And like we didn't record much. We decided to enjoy and let our inner child live again rather than to record or capture it. After all these, we've had our lunch and then played games like Pitto, football, and tug-of-war, and not just friends, but parents too. And for a moment, age didn't really matter. The titles didn't matter. Parents, children, friends, everyone was the same. There was laughter, little competition, and just pure joy. And seeing the inner child come alive, especially in our parents, was one of the most beautiful moments of the day. before leaving, we paused and thanked God, not just for the day or the place, but for the people. Because moments like these aren't guaranteed, right? They are just blessings. And this day also reminded me of something really important, that you don't always need a big trip to feel alive. Sometimes all you need is a little nature, little time, and the right people beside you. So, as the day came to an end, I didn't really wanted to leave the place. Everything felt calm, peaceful, but sometimes it is said, right, that even when you don't want to, you have to leave. Because in the end, memories are the only things that truly comes back with us. So this is just a reminder to slow down from your busy life and let your inner child live a little longer.